Welcome back. We are still on the topic rigid motion and transformation. In the previous video, we learned how to enlarge a point in the XY plane using the origin at the center of enlargement. In this video, we are going to learn how to enlarge a point in the XY plane using another point other than the origin as the center of enlargement. Enlargement of a point XY from any point AB other than the origin. We are going to do this in 3 steps. Let's consider them. The first step is that you subtract the point AB from the point to be enlarged XY. Now remember that AB is the center of enlargement and XY is the point you are going to enlarge. So to do this, the first thing you have to do is to subtract the center of enlargement, which is AB, from the point you are going to enlarge. So you are going to have XY minus AB. Then after that, you enlarge the result from step 1 with the scale factor given from the origin. So after you have subtracted AB from the center of enlargement, the result that you have, you are going to enlarge it from the origin using the scale factor given to you. Then after that, you add AB, which is the center of enlargement, to the result you had in step 2 to get the image. So it's kind of the same thing as we were doing when we were rotating a point about another point other than the origin. It follows the same steps. So we are going to apply what you have learned here to solve some questions. Let's do that. We have 2 questions here. We are going to solve them one after the other. Let's begin with the first one. Find the image of the point 3 minus 3 under an enlargement from the points 2, 1 with a scale factor of 2. So the point you are going to enlarge is 3 minus 3. And we are enlarging it from 2, 1, which means that 2, 1 is the center of enlargement. And we are using a scale factor of 2. We have learned that we are going to do this in 3 steps. The first step is that we will subtract the center of enlargement from the point to be enlarged. The point we are going to enlarge is 3 minus 3, and the center of enlargement is 2, 1. So we will subtract 2, 1 from 3 minus 3. Let's do that. We will have 3 minus 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2 will give us 1, minus 3 minus 1 will give us minus 4. So after subtracting the center of enlargement from the point to be enlarged, we are having 1 minus 4. Let's move on to the second step. The second step says that we should enlarge the resulting point. The resulting point is 1 minus 4. So we should enlarge the resulting point with the scale factor given from the origin. So we are going to enlarge 1 minus 4 with the scale factor given, which is 2 from the origin. So we are going to enlarge 1 minus 4 from the origin with a scale factor of 2. In the previous video, we learned that when we enlarge a point from the origin, to get the image, we will multiply the scale factor by the point. So the image is equal to the scale factor times the point. We are enlarging 1 minus 4 from the origin with a scale factor of 2. So the image will be equal to the scale factor, which is 2, times the point, which is 1 minus 4. So 2 times 1 minus 4. 2 times 1 will give us 2. 2 times minus 4 will give us minus 8. So after enlarging the resulting point, which is 1 minus 4, from the origin using the scale factor of 2, we are getting 2 minus 8. The third and final step says that to get our image, you have to add the center of enlargement, which is 2, 1, to the result in step 2. The result in step 2 is 2 minus 8. So we are going to add 2 minus 8 to 2, 1. you have 2 minus 8 plus 2, 1. 2 plus 2 will give us 4, minus 8 plus 1 will give us minus 7. So this means that the image of the point 3 minus 3 under an enlargement from the point 2, 1 with a scale factor of 2 is 4 minus 7. Let's look at the next question. Find the image of the point 2, 4 under an enlargement from minus 1, 4 with a scale factor of minus 3. So this time we are going to enlarge the point 2, 4 using 1 minus 4 as our center of enlargement, and the scale factor is minus 3. We have learned that the first thing we have to do is to subtract the center of enlargement from the point to be enlarged. The point we are enlarging is 2, 4. The center of enlargement is minus 1, 4. So you will have 2, 4 minus 1, 4. 2 minus minus 1, we know from algebra that will be 2 plus 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 minus 4 will give us 0. So after subtracting the center of enlargement from the point to be enlarged, we are having 3, 0 as the result. The next step says that we should enlarge the resulting point with the scale factor given from the origin. The resulting point is 3, 0. So it means that we are going to enlarge 3, 0 from the origin using the scale factor, which is minus 3. From the previous video, we learned that when we enlarge a point from the origin using a scale factor, we will get the image by multiplying the scale factor by the point. So the image is equal to the scale factor times the point. The point we are enlarging here is 3, 0, and the scale factor is minus 3. So the image will be equal to minus 3, which is the scale factor, times the point, which is 3, 0. Minus 3 times 3 will give us minus 9. Minus 3 times 0 will give us 0. So after enlarging the point 3, 0 from the origin with a scale factor of minus 3, we are having minus 9, 0. The third and final step says that to get the image, we have to add the center of enlargement to the result in step 2. The result in step 2 is minus 9, 0. The center of enlargement is minus 1, 4. So you add minus 9, 0 to minus 1, 4. Minus 9, 0 plus minus 1, 4. Minus 9 plus minus 9 will give us minus 10. 0 plus 4 will give us 4. So we can say that the image of the point 2, 4 under an enlargement from the point minus 1, 4 with a scale factor of minus 3 is minus 10, 4. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In this video and the previous one, we have learned how to enlarge a point in the XY plane using the origin or any other point other than the origin as our center of enlargement. In the next video, we are going to solve a likely examination question on enlargement of a point in the XY plane. Bye-bye.